Welcome back. Today we are unboxing the PBX1 thermal label printer. The packaging looks neat and everything is packed safely. Here's the user manual. First, the main printer unit. Here is the USB cable. This printer connects easily using a USB cable. It supports both Windows and Mac operating systems. Next, the power adapter. For Mac users, a USB to Type-C OTG adapter is required. Now, opening the top cover of the printer. Inside, we have adjustable guides for different label sizes. It supports 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch thermal receipt paper. This is a thermal printer, so no ink or toner is required. That helps reduce printing costs. You can use it for shipping labels, barcode labels, bills, and receipts. Now, let's fix the label stand. Take the stand parts and place them into the side slots. Make sure the stand is fixed properly and locked in position. This stand helps hold the label roll smoothly while printing. Now placing the label roll on the stand. Feeding the label paper into the printer. Adjusting the guides according to the label width. Now connect the power cable and USB cable. Setup is complete and the printer is ready. Connect the power adapter to the printer. Connect the USB cable to your computer or laptop. Adjust the paper guides according to the label size. Close the top cover properly. Press and hold the feed button for label calibration. The printer will auto-detect the label size. Now it is ready for printing. Now let's follow the setup guide from the manual. Install the printer driver as mentioned in the manual. Go to www.pbx1.in/download, then find 4-inch label plus receipt printer greater than down your add Windows driver. Drivers has been downloaded. Find the drivers and install. Complete the driver installation and restart if needed. Now let's test print, a shipping label. And here's the final print output. Clear print quality, sharp barcode, and smooth printing. Overall, easy to set up and perfect for online sellers. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next